Meet Marcus. Marcus is a smart guy. He worked hard, saved up $40,000, and bought his very first rental property. It was a beautiful, fully renovated turnkey house. He put a tenant in it, and now he makes $300 a month in pure cash flow. Marcus feels like a real estate mogul. But one night, while reviewing his spreadsheet, a terrifying realization hits him. His bank account is empty. His 40 grand is completely trapped inside the house. At $300 a month, it will take him over 11 years just to save up enough money to buy property number 2. At this speed, Marcus will be 70 years old before he can actually retire. He fell into the turnkey trap. He traded his liquidity for a tiny trickle of cash. A few weeks later, Marcus is at a local hardware store buying a new doorknob. In line ahead of him is David. David is wearing paint-stained jeans, work boots, and drives a beat-up truck. They start talking, and David casually mentions he is picking up supplies for his 6th rental property. Marcus freezes. "Your 6th property? This year?" David nods. Marcus is completely baffled. How is a guy in dirty work boots buying 6 houses a year, while Marcus, a guy with a great corporate salary, is broke after buying just 1? Is David secretly a trust fund kid? Is he taking on millions of dollars in toxic debt? How do you buy 6 houses without running out of cash? Marcus buys David a cup of coffee and begs him for the truth. David takes a sip and smiles. "Marcus, you buy retail. I buy wholesale. I don't leave my money in the house. I recycle it. It's called the BRRRR method. Welcome to the holy grail of real estate investing. Buy, rehab, rent, refinance, repeat." David explains the secret. Step 1. Buy. I never buy beautiful houses. I look for the ugliest, most distressed house on a great street. Let's say I buy a trashed house for $100,000 using a short-term loan. Step 2. Rehab. I spend $40,000 putting in a new kitchen, new floors, and fresh paint. I am all in for $140,000. Step 3. Rent. I put a great tenant in the house. Now it is generating monthly income. Here is where the magic happens. Step 4. Refinance. Because I fixed the house, the bank appraises its new value at $200,000. The bank allows me to do a cash-out refinance for 75% of the new value. Marcus's eyes widen as David does the math on a napkin. 75% of $200,000 is $150,000. The bank hands David a check for $150,000. David uses $140,000 to completely pay off his original loan and rehab costs. He literally gets every single penny he invested back into his pocket, plus an extra 10 grand tax-free. He still owns the house. The tenant's rent pays the new mortgage, and his original cash is sitting right back in his bank account, ready for step 5, repeat. Marcus's jaw dropped. Because David has none of his own money left in the deal, his return on investment isn't 10% or 20%. It is mathematically infinite. Marcus realizes he played the game completely wrong. Buying a perfect house traps your wealth. Buying a broken house and forcing appreciation unlocks it. 6 months later, Marcus buys a boarded-up house, fixes it, rents it, and refinances it. He pulls all his cash back out, and within weeks, he's closing on property number 3. You do not need millions of dollars to build a real estate empire. You just need to know how to recycle the money you already have. Stop trapping your capital in turnkey houses. Master the BRRRR method. Build your empire and subscribe to Dollar Key for the real financial strategies that Wall Street hides from you.